Hello, you're welcome to this channel. I hope you remember I once talked to you about backyard farming on this particular channel. These snails you are seeing are from my backyard garden. I didn't feed them nor give them any special treatment, but I protected them so that they don't die. You can also do same if you only listen to what I have for you now. One of the things you need to stop doing in your farm if you want snails to live there naturally is using weedicide to clear weeds. Weedicide has chemicals that can kill the snails and other animals in the farm. So it's better you weed by any other means, or you have any other means of weeding, you can use that instead of using the weedicide to clear the weeds. Snails like to hide. They don't normally live on opened ground. When weeding, you can have a portion of the land unweeded so that these snails can have an enclosed or a shaded area in the farm to hide. Just check on the plantain tree. I have so many snails hanging on there. I didn't bring them, or I didn't have them in the farm myself. They came naturally. But when they came, I protected them that they didn't die. And these are some of the things that I do to protect them so that I can have them, or I can enjoy them, or I can eat them when they are matured. So if you are also interested in having snails, in eating snails, and then you are doing backyard garden, it's not only the plants that you are going to get, but also you can get something like this, something like what I have had now, like the snails I'm talking about now. Please do well to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I bring new video, you can also have access to watch it. Thank you.